Hello, here is my third exercise. Okay, at first my code. I included string and as always iostream, and then here is my int main. We learned about structs this week and I created two of them. The first struct is struct player, and there are the information about the player stored. So the name of the player, name P, how many hits or his hits, and the misses he has. And then there are also information about the game, and there is another struct for it here, struct game. And there is also this player array we had to fill in here with the size of 1, and the type of it is struct player. So here you get the access from the struct game to the struct player here. So you can also use all these things, they are stored here when you have the access to the struct game. Also in the struct game is the player number, so how many players will participate the game, and the level and the possibility to play again. Okay, after the structs we also need some other things, like the number the player will type, and I create an actual game, and with this actual game you have the access to use all the things stored in the struct game. So with this pointer here named ptr from the type struct player, you get the address of the player array, so the address of the player. I want to set the hits equal to 0, and it's also possible like this here, but it's a very long line, and so I show you this actual game point player array from 0 is the same, with a point is the same as you write ptr and this arrow. They're not at the same place stored, but if you use them, the function is the same. So it's and so I use this ptr and arrow for the hits to set them to 0 and the misses to 0, and okay. Then here is nothing different to the last week, just the printed things, and only one player game is possible. And I always use it like this here with the point to get the access from the struct. Okay, after the player number is chosen, then the game is starting, and enter the name and choose the level and play. You will win or lose, depends on the level you choose. And when I like to get to the thing stored in the game struct, I always use this with a point, and otherwise I use this ptr arrow. Okay, this is what I changed to last week, and you can play more than once if you like, and here as statistics, and also here ptr arrow. Okay, and then I show it to you like right here in the program that it works. Just a second. Okay, so how many players? Minus is too less, is too much. Name, new card. Okay, and here the statistic. That's it. Thank you.